Hi, in this short video I will show you how to pair your Greyp bike with your Greyp user account through our application. First time when you open the app, you get this login screen in which you have several options how to create a new account or use some of your existing accounts on Apple, Facebook or Google to log in. So I'm using my Google account, and when I log in I get to a first screen of the application in remote mode, which states that I need to pair my bike to use it, of course. Basically, I go to the pair with the bike down below, and then it asks me to scan the QR code on the bike display. You have the instructions how to find the QR code here. So basically, you long press function button in the middle of it, and then short press the middle of the joystick, and then it opens the info screen. On the info screen you navigate right, and you have a pair bike section where you have the QR code. So I'll just demonstrate this for you now. So I start scanning, and as you see here I have the QR code scanned. When it's scanned, then the application prompts me to connect to bike. I tap connect, then the system pop-up comes up, and you have to tap on join, and then it's joining the Wi-Fi network of the bicycle. And now the mobile phone and bicycle are exchanging some information. There's a permission that you have to set. Some other system permissions pop up. You just approve, like on other applications. The pairing goes through. Once all that done, you get a screen notifying you that your bike is paired, and you can continue using the app, which now shows you the location of your bike and some of the states, telemetry and other options in the application. Thank you.